Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these two virtual ideas platform, which is 1 of 10. So to get started with a quick review of 1 of 10. 1 of 10 in 2025 is a powerful idea generation and content research tools designed to help creators, marketers and brand uncover trending and viral topics fast by analyzing what's gaining traction across platforms like Reddit, Twitter, YouTube, and more and more. 1 of 10 surface the top performing content ideas in your niche. It also used AI to summarize viral posts and give insight into why they were working, helping users relocate similar sources. The clean interface, easy filtering by topics, and breakdown of post performance make it super useful for daily content inspiration. So for those looking to stay ahead of trend and consistently produce engaging content, 1 of 10 is a game changer. Whether you are managing a YouTube channel, writing blog posts, or growing a social presence, the cool tools help take the guesswork out of the idea discovery. While it's still growing, it may not cover every niche in depth. It's incredibly effective for general and viral content scouting. Bottom line, if you want a fast, smart content ideas that actually resonate in 2025, 1 of 10 is worth adding to your toolkit. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform and how you think it can help you spice up your content. Thanks. And don't forget to comment in the comment section and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.